Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson Hydra-Glide Revival. Harley Davidson's 2025 Hydra-Glide Revival has been awarded the title of Best Cruiser Motorcycle of 2025, reaffirming the brand's legendary status in the cruiser motorcycle market. This accolade highlights Harley Davidson's expertise in melding iconic design with cutting-edge technology, delivering a motorcycle that resonates with both longtime enthusiasts and new riders alike. The 2025 Hydra-Glide Revival pays homage to the original Hydra-Glide models of the 1940s and 1950s, known for their distinctive styling and advanced, for the time, hydraulic front forks. The Revival model carries forward this legacy with a meticulous design that combines vintage aesthetics with contemporary engineering. The motorcycle features the classic teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and wide whitewall tires, all reminiscent of its storied predecessor. Underneath its nostalgic exterior, the Hydra-Glide Revival is powered by the modern Milwaukee 8114 engine, a 1868 cubic centimeters powerhouse known for its smooth torque delivery and impressive performance. This engine ensures that while the bike looks vintage, it offers a ride quality and performance that meets the expectations of today's riders. Technological advancements are subtly integrated into the Hydra-Glide Revival, ensuring a seamless blend of past and present. The bike includes modern rider aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, and electronically linked braking, enhancing safety without compromising the classic look. A discreetly incorporated infotainment system offers navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and audio controls, ensuring riders stay connected and entertained on the go. Ergonomics and comfort are at the forefront of the Hydra-Glide Revival's design. The low seat height, plush saddle, and swept-back handlebars provide a relaxed and comfortable riding position, ideal for long-distance cruising. The advanced suspension system, featuring dual bending valve front forks and emulsion rear shocks, ensures a smooth and controlled ride over various terrains. Harley Davidson has always been about honoring our rich heritage while embracing the future, said a spokesperson for Harley Davidson. The 2025 Hydra-Glide Revival is a perfect example of this philosophy, offering a nostalgic design coupled with modern performance and technology. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have lauded the Hydra-Glide Revival for its ability to evoke the spirit of classic Harley-Davidson motorcycles while delivering a riding experience that meets contemporary standards. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and timeless design have set a new benchmark in the cruiser motorcycle segment, earning it the title of Best Cruiser Motorcycle of 2025. As the 2025 Hydra-Glide Revival hits the market, it stands as a testament to Harley Davidson's enduring appeal and innovative spirit. This model not only celebrates the brand's storied past but also paves the way for the future of cruiser motorcycles,